Hey guys, happy Monday. It is March 22nd, and here's your attendance link for you to fill out to make sure you are counted present for today. Checklist items. There's a lot on here, so let's make sure we are paying attention. We're going to do some QR code puzzles today, so make sure you get those completed and turned in Google Classroom. Your study guide for your human body test is due on Thursday, because your actual test will be on Friday. And then make sure you have that human body vocabulary ready to go, because that's due on Friday whenever we have our test, okay? So make sure you're looking over that study guide, preparing for your test on Friday, and getting that vocabulary done. So under the classwork tab for today, you'll be able to find your human body QR code puzzles. Your instructions have you matching the system name with its function. Then you have to find the right parts of that system, and then you have to find the correct picture of that system. So all you're going to be doing is copying and pasting the cards and then putting them on the correct slides. And once you're done, it'll create a little QR code in the middle, and you can scan it, and if it's right, the QR code will tell you that your body system is correct. Okay? So I'm going to switch out of this presentation and hop into the QR code presentation just so you guys can see what it looks like. On this slide, you can see these are your functions. Transports nutrients and oxygen around the body, filters waste from blood. So these have a variety of functions on them. And then these are your body parts. So like muscles and tendons, you have skin, hair, and nails, heart, arteries, veins, esophagus, stomach, trachea, lungs. So you are matching these with the correct system that they belong to. Here are your pictures that will even out your QR codes, and they will make a QR code that you can scan to see if you're right. So if you look, there are 2 systems per slide, and we've already placed the system name on the slide for you. All you have to do is drag the rest onto the slide. So for example, we'll do this slide together. We know that the respiratory system brings in oxygen and gets rid of carbon dioxide, right? So let's go to our functions and let's find one that has a similar function as I just mentioned. Right here, delivers oxygen to the blood and removes carbon dioxide from the blood. So I'm just going to press Control C and go here and paste it. This obviously, when I puzzle piece it in, goes at the bottom because you have to match the QR code up. So that's where that would go. Now I'm going to go to the different body parts and find the body parts of the respiratory system. That's definitely going to be the one that has your nose, your trachea, which is your breathing tube, and your lungs. So I'm going to copy that, paste it in. This will obviously go down here. And now I need my picture of the respiratory system. So that was easy. Right there are my lungs, my trachea, my nasal passage, right? So I'm going to copy that, paste it in, and make my puzzle. Okay, once you're done, you can scan this. If you have an iPhone, all you have to do is hold your camera up to it, and it will read the QR code to you and let you know if you're right. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing for all of the different systems. We have our nervous system, circulatory and muscular, skeletal and segmentary, endocrine and reproductive systems, and digestive and urinary. Remember that your urinary system is the same thing as your excretory system. Okay? So that is all you guys have to do for today's lesson. If you finish early, you can work on your vocabulary, and make sure you let us know if you have any questions.